It's shit like Simon says, when I say go, my glitz be doing the most. Whatever you catch, I'm toting the handshake cool, but
yeah, then I was just like, her ass really fat. See what I'm saying? Two, nigga, what it do, nigga? It's your boy Joe L though. But is it really me, nigga? Like, bro, every time y'all see me, I just got a different mood. I'm in a different headspace, bro. Like, you ever touch me again, nigga, while I'm trying to record, nigga, that's an issue, nigga.
Absolutely disgusting, by the way. I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
Nigga. But look though, right now we in the woods, we in nature. And when we in nature, anything can happen. I mean anything. A bear can eat your, I was finna say a bear can eat your ass, but I ain't gonna do that. But look though, hold on, you see this? Let me get on stage for y'all niggas. Record me, bro. Hold it just like this on the front side, hold it like that. Right there. Down a little bit. Right there. Now listen. We in nature. Anything can happen. Like when it's nature time, I can jump through the phone and slap the hell out your ass right now. You seen that? That was the first monkey that ever existed. Now let me tell you something about life. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Joel, man. Back at y'all with another video. Right now we just walking around and we gonna be working out in nature. Whatever we can find that look like a workout thing, we gonna work out. And if we can't find anything to work out on, we just gonna talk to y'all later. So let's just see how they go. Cause the mosquitoes already biting me everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm scratching like crackhead, but it's cool, it's smooth. So let's just see what's going on. You see all of them? So we found a workout to do, chat. What you said?
A 60-second plank. From bench to bench.
Bench to bench?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Woo. So, like, this, then we going over like this, like that?
No.
Just plank. Alright. So, whoa. Let's do this, man. Ready?
2, 1, go.
Like,
just hold it. You got to hold it for 60 seconds. Jalen, you need to come up some more.
how many seconds is it?
30. 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60.
Hell no.
How many of y'all can do planks like that though? Like y'all could do planks. Y'all could do planks all you want, but if you could do them like that for 60 seconds or more, you that guy. If you could do it more, if you could do it for more than 60 seconds, put that in the comments and might give you $5. I think I dress like an uncle, bro. I dress like a fucking uncle, bro. Shit. Check. Up here at Ponce. City Market. Up here at Ponce City Market, you know. cool. Look here, chilling. Y'all fuck with the earring. You know we see this all day, man. This one kind of swelling up, bro. We ain't even get into all that, though.
Shut up, Jalen.
It's shit like Simon says, what I say go, my glitz be doing the most. Whatever you catch, I'm toting the handshake cool, but I